Do you know how to add in large amounts of information, large amounts of text into your document in just a few clicks or taps? Let me show you in today's video about AutoText. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life just that little bit easier. So I've already typed the text in. Now there is a difference of course between AutoCorrect, which has been covered in other videos, and AutoText. AutoCorrect has a character limitation of 255 characters and is automatically applied when you hit space or return. On the flip side, AutoText doesn't have character limitations, but it also doesn't automatically put information in. That is that you can select an amount of text, which can be pages if you need it to be, and it won't put it in until you choose to add it, which means that it's a little bit more flexible, although not quite as fast. So here I am in a Word document. I've already typed the text in just to make life that little bit easier, and what I'm going to do is use Control A to select it. I don't want the additional 2 lines, although I will include 1. So the text is now selected, and if I go to the Insert tab at the top, it's actually here on the text group, and it's hiding underneath the option on the screen called Quick Parts. As I choose that, I've now got AutoText. So Microsoft Word automatically creates a couple of standard ones, basically your name and your initials. But with the text selected, you can see here at the very bottom, I've now got Save Selection to AutoText Gallery. Choose that message, and because this is all about choosing what I need and putting it in as you need it, the first thing is we need a name for it. So I'm going to go alright, I'm going to say moving to courses. Gallery should remain as AutoText. The category, it's your choice, but I'm going to leave it as general. I'm not going to bother typing a description and basically just save it as is. So you'll notice it saves it in normal, so that's our normal.doc, our normal template for all blank Word documents, which is where you want it. I simply say OK, and it's now done. You may be thinking, Michelle, that sounds great, but how do I put it in? So, a couple of different ways of doing it. First off, I can always come back into Insert, Quick Parts, AutoText, and you can see it's now been added into that list. So I can actually just click on there and it adds that text in for me. I should also be able to start typing in my title for the AutoText. You can see there it is, it's doing that, and it's telling me just press enter to insert. So if I want to type in moving, for example moving to, I can actually just type in the word that I need, another location, and I don't have to actually put in the text that I've created as AutoText. So it gives you a lot more flexibility in terms of what you're calling it. If you like this video and found it useful, please do give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. And remember, if you'd like to be notified as new videos are released, to click subscribe and that notification bell. Oh, don't forget, if you click on the More option in the description section of this video, you'll see the other tips and tricks and my free guides. I will see you in the next video.